Hey kitties. So I wanted to talk a little bit about the pattern sequencer and also pattern chaining, which is basically the SP44 Mark II way to have a song mode. So basically how to get here is you go into, let's get out of here, exit. So let's say we go exit out of pattern. So now we're just in sample mode. If we hit pattern select, it puts us in pattern mode. So then we have to hit basically hold. After we hit hold, we hit either 1 through 16 to select the chain. I just hit 1. Now I'm in the pattern chain for 1. So to build my chain, I have to build it up with different sequences that you already created. So I'll just put in 1. We'll go into 5 5 2 times, then we'll go into 4 4, and then we will go into 2 and end on a 5. And then basically after you've done that, you've now created a pattern chain that will repeat. You also have some more stuff here where you can if you want to like switch this or put something in front of here, all you have to do is, so let's say I wanted to put another 1 in front of this one, I will have to go all the way to the, all the way to the side. I brought you out of focus, but bring it all the way to the side with this push encoder, and then hit the one that you want to add. And now I added another one. Say I didn't want to add that one and I wanted to delete that. Now that I have that one selected, you just hit delete and it's gone. So we've built this dope pattern, this dope beat. How do we play it? You play it with this button, down here. It's called the sub pad. Now get it started. Yep. So then to stop it, we hit the sub pad again. So as you see, you can put your effects on it. You can also, while it's going, I'm pretty sure you can resample all of this too. I'm not sure how to do that yet. Yeah, I'm not sure how to do the resampling part of it yet, but yeah, I just got this yesterday. It's pretty dope, guys. It's basically a SP44 beatmaker's dream, because SP44 kind of was like made for effect box, and like beatmakers took it and made it something. But like, you know, people like DiBiase, Raji, you know, the real, you know, ones in the trenches. But this one right here, this is for everybody to become that DiBiase, not to become DiBiase. Of course, we don't have his ear, his drum patterns, you know, his experience. No one's on that level. But what I'm saying is it makes it more approachable, because people like him, they had so many workarounds that they had to do. Like this one right here, this is the most approachable, futuristic SP44 ever. So yeah, we'll have a proper review and more content coming. But yeah, this is a very exciting time, guys. Peace. Please subscribe. Shout out to all the 700 people who already did. Let's get 300 more so we can get in that 1,000 sub club, and let's grow from there. I make daily content. It's usually about, you know, being a dad or like making music and stuff, and making music while trying to survive in America, which is crazy, you know, as you get older, not giving up and having kids, you know, having a family, having responsibilities. It's a real thing. So this is a channel for you if you can feel that. And if it's not, you know, if you don't feel it, hey, still hit that sub, help a brother out. Peace.